Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Datadog with AI anomaly detection, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Datadog account. On the left sidebar, navigate to the Integrations section. In the Integrations page, search for AI anomaly detection. Review the description to understand the benefits of using AI anomaly detection. Locate the Install button and click it to enable the feature. Once installed, go to the Monitors tab on the sidebar. Click on the New Monitor button to create a new anomaly detection monitor. Choose Anomaly Detection from the available monitor types. Select the metric you want to track for anomalies from the drop-down list. Specify the aggregation method that suits your monitoring needs. Set the time frame for the data you want to analyze. In the advanced options, adjust the sensitivity settings based on your preference. Take note of the evaluation period for detecting anomalies. Choose an alert notification channel that works for your team. In the message box, customize the alert notification with useful information. Finally, click the Save button to activate your anomaly detection monitor. Your AI anomaly detection is now successfully set up within Datadog. Monitor the performance regularly to optimize your configurations as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.